In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create checklists in Clickup by using task templates and automations. This nifty feature can significantly streamline your workflow, ensuring that every task is equipped with a detailed checklist without manual effort each time. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, we'll start by creating a task template. To begin, navigate to your chosen location within Clickup. This can be a space, a folder, or a specific list where you typically manage your tasks. Here, create a new task as you normally would. When you have your task open, it's time to add the checklist. You have the option to create this checklist from scratch if you have specific items you need, or, if you prefer, you can use an existing checklist template. This flexibility allows you to customize tasks according to your needs while maintaining consistency across tasks. Along with your checklist, be sure to include any other relevant information or fields that will help define the task. Once you have everything set up to your satisfaction, save this task as a template. To do that, look for the ellipsis next to the task name, click on it, and select the Save as Template option. This action saves the task as a reusable template, setting the foundation for automation. With your task template ready, it's time to set up an automation. Head over to the same location where you intend the automation to take place. It's crucial that the automation is set up in the same environment where the tasks will be used. Click on the Automate button at the top, which will lead you to the automation section. Here, you'll want to click Add Automation to open up the modal where you can create new automations. Then, choose what will trigger the automation. Say, for instance, you might opt for status changes if you want the checklist to be applied when a task's status shifts. This trigger tells Clickup when to spring into action. For more precise control, you can also add conditions. An example would be specifying that the automation only activates when the status changes to Ready. In the Then section of your automation setup, choose Apply Template as the action to take. Select the task template that we crafted earlier from the list of templates available. This ensures that whenever the trigger condition is met, the task is enriched with the detailed checklist. Conclude your setup by clicking Create to save the automation. With that, you're all set. Every time the specified trigger occurs, Clickup will automatically apply your task template, complete with the checklist you prepared. This powerful combination of task templates and automations can greatly enhance productivity by standardizing procedures and ensuring no step is overlooked in your workflows.